If you are seeking to apply for a Schengen visa, this video is for you. Hi, welcome back to our YouTube channel. In today's video, we'll be talking about how to apply for a Schengen visa in the UK. You can apply for a Schengen visa if you are a student or you are an immigrant living in the UK. The Schengen area is made up of 29 countries, with Romania and Bulgaria as the newest member that joined in March 2024. You can apply to enter through the Schengen area through any Schengen member states. When we applied through the Spain to enter through the Schengen area. So you can apply through any Schengen state of your choice, but you must travel from the host country or the Schengen state where you apply from. So let's get into the documents needed for the Schengen visa application. First, you'll be needing a fully completed online application form, which can be downloaded from the BLS website. I'll be showing you the copy of the form at the end of this video. Another important document is your international passport. Your international passport must be valid for at least 3 months, and it must be issued in the last 10 years with 2 blank spaces in it. Another important document is your biometric residence permit, the UK BRP. That must also be valid for at least 3 months. Next, you'll be needing a recent passport photograph. You can go with at least 2 or 3. During our application, we went with 2, but we later used just 1. There are dimensions to the type of passport photograph they need. I will also be showing you that at the end of this video. Next, you need to get a no objection letter from your employer if you are working in the UK, or from school if you're a student in the UK. The letter needs to be addressed to the embassy consulate of the Schengen state you are traveling to. The letter needs to entails that you are a student of the school or you're an employee of the company, and the company or the school is not objecting to you traveling during the period of your trip. Another document you'll be needing is financial proof. You need to provide at least 3 months bank statements, most recent bank statements, and the bank statement must show that there's inflow and outflow of cash. Like, the account must be very active. So, and at the time of your application, you must like have at least 1,000 in your bank account, at least 1,000 in your bank account. So another important document, this is optional, but you can also add it, that's your payslip, at least 3 months payslip. Another document is your travel tickets. You can use either a return fully booked flight ticket or a reserved return ticket, but you must have a return ticket to show that you are going either for an holiday or you are going into the Schengen area and you'll be returning back to your country of residence, which is the United Kingdom. Always ensure that you book a flight ticket that you can either cancel or make any changes to in terms of emergency. Another important document is your proof of accommodation. You must provide either Airbnb or hotel booking reservation as part of the document you'll be taking with you on the day of your appointment. The last document you'll be needing is your travel insurance. Guys, you need your Schengen travel insurance. It's very important and key. You need to have up to like 30,000 euros travel insurance to cover you while you're in the Schengen area, and also to cover for your medical expenses and any emergencies that might come up. So we did ours with CoverWise, why we did our own application for about £12. I'll drop the link below. With CoverWise, you can add your dependent, your husband, and your children, and you can have up to a year multi-trip insurance. So let's go into the application process.
When you go to Google, type Spain visa from UK, then it takes you to the official BLS website link. click on it. Then it takes you to the BLS official website page where you can see how to start your application. For the purpose of this application, I'll be choosing Bedfordshire as the county of residence. Then it takes me to the page for the visa application process. The first step in the visa application process is to know your visa type. When you click on the first step, it takes you to another page that shows different types of visa. Click on the tourist visa. Then it takes you to another page where it tells you about everything needed for the tourist visa. The first thing is we check the document required, and I listed all the documents required previously. Yes, also all the documents required as seen. So let's check out the visa fees. Here are the list of all the fees you'll be paying. You'll be paying for service charge, a return courier for your passports, and also an SMS email notification. They'll charge about 1.95 for that. Then all fees can be paid by cash, credit, or debit card. You need to take note that once you've paid, your fees are non-refundable. So next is the photo specifications. Here are the photo specifications I was talking about earlier in the video. If you are not sure about the right dimensions, you can take your photos at the BLS appointment center. I think they'll charge about £10. Next is the processing time. The minimum processing time for the tourist visa is 15 working days. So take notes and make sure you give enough time for your application. So this is where you can download the application form. You can download the English version or the Spanish version. So this is the application form, English version. Make sure you fill all your details correctly as required. And do not forget to sign and date the application form. It is very, very important. So step 2, book your appointment. Here are the list of instructions to book. Click book now appointment. It takes you to a verification page. Here is just to verify that you are not a robot. Select the right numbers to get verified. Then click submit after being verified. Here are some instructions to follow. Read and then click OK. Then it brings you to the appointment page to fill all the required information. For jurisdiction, I choose Bedfordshire. For location, I choose London. For the visa type, short-term visa. And visa subtype, tourist visa. That's what we're applying for. Then appointment category. There are 3 categories: doorstep, normal, and premium. I choose normal. Then appointment is for individual. If you're applying for a family, you click family, then submit. Then it brings no appointments. Guys, this is where the real job is. Getting an appointment is not so easy. So we have to start the process all over again. Get yourself verified again and fill all the necessary information on the appointment page. Then this time around, we'll be choosing the premium service to see if they've got any appointments. So we choose Bedfordshire again, London, short-term visa. We have going for the tourist visa, then individual. Then this time around, we have to choose the premium visa. And ta-da! I think there are some appointment dates for the premium category. Let's submit and check them out. So here is the appointment page. There are 4 steps here. You have the appointment details, applicant details, payment, then you get your booking confirmation. So here there are some information that have been filled for us, like the visa type, subtype, so mission, your location center, your country code, and your mobile number. So now let's go to the appointment date for June 2024, there's no more appointments. Those are the dates in red. So the ones in green shows they are available. So July 1 is available. We click July 1. Then we'll move on to the time. The only available time for that day is between 1:15 to 1:30. We have to choose that because we've got no other choice. Then other informations, the country code, mobile number, and applicant email has been pre-filled. Then you need to move on to getting your verification code. After you get your verification code, upload your photo. Then you click browse. That's you've completed step 1 in the booking process. So you move on to step 2 where you fill all your details. Then after filling all your details, you have to proceed to making payments. After paying, you will get your booking confirmation in your mailbox. Then after this, you are ready to go for your appointment on your appointment day. Don't forget to go early. So these are the steps we used in applying for our Schengen visa, and we got it in 7 days. Even though we applied for a single entry, they gave us 6 months multiple entry. We wish you success in your application process.